If you're new to sugar cookie decorating, this cookie is a hole-in-one. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So I'm decorating these cookies for a baby shower, but you could see that it would be perfect for Father's Day or even any golf theme event. All of the supplies you need are listed in the description, and I'm going to start out by using a 15-second royal icing just to outline the putting green part of this cookie, and then we'll actually outline it twice and then fill in that area in between. So just going inside the cookie a little bit, I'm going to do the exact same thing. So touch down with your icing, lift up your piping bag just a little bit, and go around again, watching where your line of icing is falling and not your piping bag. When you get close to the end, stop squeezing and drop your line down. And then we're just going to fill this area in with the same exact royal icing. You want your icing to be about a 15-second consistency, just so that it won't overflow the edge. And once you've got this area filled in, use your scribe or toothpick just to settle the icing down a little bit. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth because we're going to go back and add some texture after it dries. And I'm going to let my cookie dry for about 24 hours, and then I'm going to take the same exact icing we used before and just put a bead of icing around the top of the cookie where we already iced it. And then I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm just going to gently tap up and down all the way around the cookie, giving it a nice grassy look texture, or at least some texture that makes it look a little rougher than the green that we're going to put in the middle. Just tap up and down, make sure you get the sides. If you need more icing, go ahead and add a little more icing. And if your paintbrush gets all gunky, just wash it off and then dry it off on a paper towel and continue going until you have the green looking the way you want it to. And then I'm going to grab a black edible marker to make the hole. I want to line it up right underneath this flag. So just make a black dot where you want the hole to be, and then grabbing a lighter shade green royal icing that's also in about a 15-second consistency. Go ahead and outline that hole and then flood in the entire inside of this cookie. I'm not going to go quite all the way up to the hole that we made because I don't want to go over the top of it by accident if my flood consistency icing is a little too thin. So I'll just get close to that outline and then I'll use my scribe to push the icing up against that outline and smooth this all out. My icing is actually pretty thick, so it's going to take me a minute to get it all smooth, but you can do it. Just keep jiggling that icing. And then set your cookie aside to dry for about 20 minutes. Now I'm coming back in with a tan royal icing to make the pole. And I need to make the height of my pole as high as the rest of the cookie, so I just put a little line in these areas. And I let that dry for about 10 minutes. Now I'm coming back in and piping another line over the top of that. And then you can use your scribe or your toothpick if you need to settle that icing down and smooth it out. And then I let this cookie dry again for about another 20 minutes before coming back in with my blue icing and adding the flag. I'm just going to outline a little triangle here and flood that in and use my scribe to settle it down. And then I'll set this cookie aside to dry completely and they'll be ready for tea time. And I was making these for a baby shower, so off camera I did pipe in the words "new to the club." You could also write "best dad by par for Father's Day," or anything else you wanted to put in the middle. And hey, let's tee this up for new cookie decorators. Drop me a note in the comments and let me know your best sugar cookie decorating tip. And then be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the golfing cookies in the set. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was up to par. Bye.